Hi everyone, it's Lisa and welcome to Lisa's Stamp Studio. If you're like me, you're going to have a mess on your stamp table from time to time from paper crafting. You're going to have the backs from your dimensionals and scrap cardstock. You may even have a few stray sequins, punched pieces, anything small. Can even be small pieces of ribbon that are left over. Picking all this up and scooping it into the trash can sometimes can be cumbersome, especially with these little small sequins because of the static they leave behind. And I have found a way that cleans it all up in one full swoop. Are you ready? It is one of these sticky lint rollers. This works awesome. One pass and you're going to be able to pick up just about everything on your desk. There's a lot of life left still on this sticky sheet, so I'll be saving this to use again the next time I need to provide a quick pass. This works great to pick up stray embossing powder as well. So this is just a great tool for paper crafters. You can find this at any big box store or even at the dollar store near you. If you don't already have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and you're interested in receiving a complimentary copy of the current catalog, just leave me a comment below. Remember to like and share today's video. These quick tips are helpful for all crafters. If you don't already subscribe to my YouTube channel, I'd encourage you to do that by clicking the subscribe picture below. Thanks so much for joining me, everyone. I look forward to seeing you next week for another quick tip. Have a great day.